Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of ChinaTech. I've been saying it's coming for a while now, and here it is, a quick unboxing and review of the Boya BY-M1 Lavelier Microphone. So this microphone has been sort of making waves over the last few months because of just how high quality it apparently is for such a cheap price. It's costing me about 20 bucks, and some of the reviews I've listened to, it sounds pretty good. So I'm excited to just get this open, see what it's like, and see how it sounds. So if we just open up here, looks like we can get most of this out. Here we go. So we've got just this warranty card, some quick instructions by the looks of it, and this bag here containing our microphone. So you can see it's got Boya on the front, not much on the side. It's a bit loose, but you can actually pull it tight to hold onto everything. And inside is what we're after. So you can see we have these little accessories that I've just pulled out. We've got a clip, a windshield, and it looks like a 3.5 to a 6.3 barrel jack adapter, as well as the coin cell, because this microphone does run off a separate coin cell battery. And then here is our actual microphone. So you can see we have a lot of cord to work with. We've got this whole chunk here, the connector at this end, and then at the other, we've got the microphone capsule itself. And then in the middle, we've got this little control unit. So you can see it's got a clip here and an off switch here. So you can see we can connect it either to smartphones or to a camera, like we will be doing today. So the first thing I think is going to be putting that battery in. So you can see here is just our little battery. I'll just pull it out of the bag. There we are. And then to actually get it into the microphone, we just need to spin this around a little bit. And then you can see here, we've got this little gap where we just need to slide this battery in. So that's in, and we just need to screw this back up and we are good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to this camera. I can actually plug a microphone into this camera, you can see. So I'm going to plug this Boya BY-M1 microphone into this camera, switch to that now, and you can listen to how the audio from this microphone sounds. Alright, and now you are listening to audio straight out of the Boya BY-M1 Lavelier microphone. So I've got it plugged into my Lumix G7, and on the actual capsule, I've got it flicked over onto camera mode, so I think it's giving it a bit of an extra boost in that little capsule. So I can't quite comment on how this sounds because I haven't had a chance to listen to it, but what I will do is right now I'm just going to remove the phone windshield to see if there's any difference in the way it sounds with the windshield on and off. Alright, and now with the windshield off, I'm interested to see if there is any difference, because in our last video where we looked at that $1 microphone, it didn't really make much of a difference. It sounded pretty crap either way. I'm wondering if there's a difference now, whether this windshield's cutting out some of the sounds we want as well, or if it's actually doing its job and just cutting out those sharp plosives. So I'm going to stop this here and quickly jump over to my computer and have a listen to it, and then we'll jump back over onto my desk camera and I'll tell you my thoughts. So I've just had a listen to the audio out of the Boya microphone, and can I just say, wow, for 20 bucks or whatever, this is some seriously impressive audio. Like, I've heard some good things about this microphone. I knew it was pretty good coming into it, but just listening to it on my computer, the kind of audio I'm getting from this super cheap microphone, I honestly think it almost is on par with this microphone here. This cost me about $80. This is the Rode Video Micro compared to $20 for this lav mic. Obviously, they're two different microphones, but for me, these pretty much do the same thing. They record my audio, and more often than not, now that I've actually had a chance to listen to this microphone, I might actually start picking this over this microphone here. Not only because I think the audio out of it actually sounds, if on par, maybe even a little bit better than that more expensive microphone, but just the ability to use this clip to clip it onto you so that no matter where you go, even if I walk around, I would still be able to get good quality audio because this microphone is obviously just going to be clipped to me. Stuff like that is what would make me use this microphone even over a more expensive microphone. So honestly, yeah, I've got to say I am impressed with the Boya microphone. It does have some downsides. Honestly, I think this cord might even be a bit too long for me. They have nicely wrapped it up here and they've given you a little Velcro tab, which is nice, but you still have this giant bundle of cord. On the other hand though, it is really great to see that they have this little capsule here to help you boost up the gain for something like my camera over there. Being able to turn it on and power the microphone is probably one reason why the audio coming out of it can be so great. Even if you don't want to though, you can always turn it off or connect it to your phone if that's what you're after. In saying that though, the fact that you have to put in a coin cell battery is a bit of a pain. It would have been nice if they could have somehow fitted like a AAA in there or something, but that's just what you've got to give up, I suppose, for this size. I'm just really going to wrap it up there though. I don't have much more to say apart from the fact that if you're interested in a lavalier microphone, like, believe the hype around this microphone. It is an exceptional microphone when you consider the fact that I picked this up for about 20 bucks. I'll have a link to it in the video description with the latest pricing, but yeah, I've just got to say that even if you're in the market for a more expensive lav mic, something like the Rode Smart Lav is about 100 bucks, I think. You can get a lot more expensive expensive if you're interested, I would still consider checking out this microphone for such a low price. You might just be surprised at the audio quality you can get out of the Boya BY-M1. That just about wraps up this video though. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, definitely leave a like and subscribe down below for more videos like this. I would also love to hear from you. Yes, you. What kind of videos you want to see? I'd love to hear in the comment section some suggestions and ideas for other cheap Chinese tech that you would love me to check out. So definitely comment down below if you have some ideas. Apart from that though, thank you for watching another episode of ChinaTech, and I'll catch you in the next video.